and we are on our final day, day 28 of our self-love vlogs for this I Can I Will 30-day challenge. So whether you're doing the challenge or not, or you're just popping in, hello. Today we are going to be doing a short exercise that I really think is super beneficial to us. It helps check in with ourselves, and it's going to be all about just visualization. So it's going to be visualizing who we are, but who we want to be. So what I like to do here is I like to be super detailed, like super detailed, from, you know, aesthetically, what I want to look like. Long pink hair has always been, for the past few years, like long pink hair is something that I really want, and I write that down. But it also helps us to form the person that we want to be. So you guys are going to write down attributes about who you want to be, what you want to look like, all the things that you want to achieve, your goals, all the performance goals that you have. I have a visualization of the exact performance goals that I want to do. And even before I actually do one of the exercises that I haven't done before, like it's on like the gymnastic rings or something, I always stand there in my Wonder Woman stance and I look up at that and I visualize myself doing it, and that really helps me to actually go for it and do the movement properly, because I already set it in my mind that it's gonna happen. So write down some performance goals for yourself that you have. Write down the physical appearance that you want to have, because then you're going to take actions towards it. And even saying like the affirmations, like I am a strong person, all of a sudden you're setting yourself up for taking those steps, because you're like, well, since I am a strong person, I do strong things. I lift this, I do this, and it really helps. And we have to remember how much power we actually have over our, not only our appearance, but like our actions and everything like that. And then write down, like, who do you want to be? Like, what kind of person do you want to be? Do you want to be a strong one? Do you want to be the fit one? Do you want to be the creative one, the artsy one, the one who doesn't back down from a challenge? What is it? Who do you want to be? And you have all that power to form yourself to that. So all this stuff just really helps to set the stage for the actions that you're going to take in order to become the person that you want to be. It gives you more of a plan. So go ahead and write down a few things, like who do you want to be? What do you want to look like? What do you want to do? All of these things. And they can be super like out there. But just remember that you are the only one limiting yourself. So if you want to become all of these things that you totally can, you just have to remember that you are strong enough and that you can achieve these things that you want to. It just takes a little bit of planning sometimes and just belief in yourself. So I hope this gives you guys some inspiration to write down a few things and get very specific with it, because there are a lot of things that I'm very specific on, about like traveling to Bali with Justin kind of thing. And I know, like, I'm visualizing it and I'm like, yes, this is going to happen. Like, this is something that we're going to do together. And it really helps to form the actions towards it. Like, I'm saving money for it and I'm doing more research on it, stuff like that. I hope you guys just remember that you guys are the artists and your life is your canvas. It is yours to paint only, no one else's. And do the things that you want to do. If you don't want to be an anxious person anymore, you don't have to be. If you want to be the strong one, you can be. So take that power back. And please do, if you can, take the time to like the video and then subscribe if you haven't already. And also leave a comment below. Let me know some of your visualizations if you want to. Feel free to. Remember, if you say like I am the healthy one, then you're probably gonna make a lot more healthy choices in your life, with your food choices, with water intake, with fitness, all that stuff. All right, see you guys soon.